Hello everyone and welcome in our channel Blueway. Today we will continue about applying for Stipendium Hungaricum and please subscribe, like, share or comment to our channel. So we're gonna go to the stipendiumhungaricum.hu website and we click apply for Stipendium Hungaricum, and then we're gonna sign into our account to continue. From the upper right corner we click on sign in, and here you can find your name because you already registered previously, and today we're gonna use the other type, send one time link. So this is a link, it will be sent to your email, so you have to go to your inbox, and in this way you just click without using your password. So you will receive an email from Dream ID. Now we click on the first rectangular, click to log in, and you will directly your profile will open just like now, as you can see. And in order to start editing our profile, we go to edit application. Here we talked previously about everything except for the last three things, and we will start with the documents today. So for the documents we need to be careful about some stuff. So first of all, type of documents should be JPEG, PNG or PDF. So all your documents should be in one type, so all of them PDF or PNG, and please make sure to upload them upright, so not upside down, so in the portrait mode, so it should be taller than wider. And if you uploaded one in JPEG, all of them should be JPEG or PNG or PDF. So you choose one format for all your documents. And you need to be careful. The maximum size is written here in megabyte for all the files, not just one file, for all uploaded files. But if you want to check for each uploaded file, you can upload to maximum 4 megabyte. So for each one document or one file, maximum it should be 4 megabyte. We're not going to upload the documents in here. Instead we're gonna go to the checklist because it's easier. We start from the first one, proof of language proficiency. So in this section we have 4 options. So I have not uploaded yet, and I uploaded the original. So if you have any comments, you can write here about your score or about the exam. When you upload it, you click on I don't have, in your case, for example, I don't have a certificate, or I have uploaded the original and the translation. Because I didn't upload anything, it showed me the red error. So usually it's in English, so you can choose the second one instead of the last option. I have uploaded the original because it's usually in English, the English certificate. So this is for it. If you don't have it, you choose the third one, but you have to upload a declaration. So declaration, you should mention that you will take the test and you will upload it before the deadline. So this is very important. We don't leave it blank because you need to upload the declaration. So this is for the proof of language. Second one, it's a bachelor school certificate. So you can upload bachelor if you're applying for a master, but if you're uploading For a PhD, you're gonna see a master certificate, and you have to upload the original document with the official translation, so both of them. So you upload them here using this box, the second one, and you choose the correct one. I have uploaded the original and the translation. In some cases, if you haven't graduated yet, you can choose the second option, but in our case, you need to upload your high school certificate with the translation in addition to the declaration. And now for the passport. You need to upload your passport, but in case you don't have it, you need to upload an ID. So you choose the second option. If you don't have a passport, I don't have yet my passport, I have uploaded a declaration and my national ID. If you upload your passport, you choose the third option. And please be careful, you need to upload the declaration with the ID. And the ID should be in English. If it's not in English, you should translate it. This is for the passport. For the transcript of records, in this case also, you can upload the original or the original and translation. And for medical certificate, here you have to use a special form. So you can upload the special form with all the original documents. So we're gonna, from this link, we're gonna see the form, the needed form for this application. So as you can see, this is the form you must upload. So you have to do the examination and fill this form and upload everything together. Those, we're gonna zoom in a little bit. You need to write your full name here as it appears in your passport, and the date of birth and your nationality. And here at the end you have to write down the date of issue and signature of the doctor with the stamp. So signature is not enough, you need a stamp. So type of test, chest x-ray. So everything should be new. As you can see here, you cannot upload old test, you need new one, and not the film, not the chest x-ray film, only the results. You have to be careful in this. You need to write the date and circle the correct one, negative or positive. And this is the examination date. Don't forget it, it should be written on your x-ray film or x-ray result. For another tests, you need to upload the HIV test, also hepatitis B and C. And as we mentioned previously, you circle the negative or positive without forgetting the date. In addition to that, you need to attach your childhood vaccination. So it should be also translated into English. Don't forget the translation. And here we have multiple type of tests or vaccination, that should be taken when you were a kid or child. And those type of vaccination, all of them should be uploaded here. As you can see, you should check everything from those three vaccination. And in the second one, also don't forget to circle yes or no. Also, you need to check the MMR, the poliomyelitis, and the COVID-19. So those are important tests need to be, and this one is duplicated from the above, so don't worry about it. And the typhoid, those should be filled. You can fill them by your hand after you did all those tests, and write down the dates and circle the correct one. After that, you can take them to the doctor, the examining doctor, and he should check them and sign, then stamp. After that, everything will be in order, and you can upload this one here in addition to all the tests translated into English. Last one is the additional documents. Here, if you remember previously, we talked about your employment and your other activities. So every activity written previously or employment should be uploaded here. For example, if you worked for a company, you need to upload here a letter from the company. If you engaged with an activity, for example, a competition, and you won something, you should upload it here and write about it. So here you must upload everything about those stuff. Let's go back to employment here and activities. So here, as mentioned, every activity you add previously here in your profile should be supported with a document. Here, uploaded here in additional documents, in addition to the employment. So don't worry about them. If you don't have, you don't upload here. It's not necessary, but it's better for your profile. Here you have to explain if you have a special medical issue, or you have an issue with your walking, with anything. Please explain it here for the university. Here also you have to choose how did you know about the scholarship. You can answer whatever you want, it's up to you. And here, this is an important question. If you didn't get the Stipendium Hungaricum, are you going to be a self-financed student? So if you want to continue as a self-financed student, you should choose yes, please. And then you click save as draft, and after that you have to check everything again twice to be sure that everything is in order, your name, your document, contacts, everything. So you should check it, double check everything before uploading. And now we will talk about very important thing about the deadline. So you go here to the application guideline, and we will scroll down to the missing documents. So it's page 29. So previously we talked about uploading documents, and there is a place you can choose that you haven't got this certificate. So those are called the missing documents. You can upload them after the deadline. School certificates, proof of language proficiency, and your password. So you can upload those three after the deadline. Which deadline? We're gonna talk about it. You can't upload the transcript of record after the deadline, but only those three. So in your case, you didn't obtain any of the mentioned documents above, you need to upload also a signed declaration. So you have to state your name and the reason why you couldn't upload it, and you have to mention that you will upload before 1st of August at latest. So you have to mention everything in your declaration about those three documents, and you should sign it with your hand. So After the deadline, which is 15 January, so this is the deadline. After the deadline, you can upload the actual one, but before the deadline, you have to upload the missing bachelor degree, for example. In our case, if your bachelor degree is missing, you must apply high school certificate with the translation and declaration. For the master, for applying for the bachelor, for the PhD, sorry, it's the same. Or if you are missing your passport, as mentioned before, you need to upload your declaration with the ID before 15 of January. So this is very important. Please make sure to upload the declaration and check it correctly. Please like, subscribe and share our content.